Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with this Honda HRU19D lawnmower which has got a broken pull start, and today we're going to show you how to fix that broken pull start. There's absolutely no handle or cord on it at all. So we've got an old handle and cord here. We're going to get that on there, but this video is really applicable to all of your Honda lawnmowers that have got the easy start system. So let's get into it. So as I said, this is actually a really easy job, but to do this job you're going to need a 13mm socket to get that pull start mechanism off, and you are going to need a new handle if you've lost your handle and some cord. Now I'm not sure if you can see, but this cord's actually a bit thicker than I normally use. It looks like it's about 4.5mm. I normally use more like a 2.5 or a 3mm cord, but we'll try and use this because whilst it's old, the cord's in fantastic condition. So we'll get that off. We'll try and use it to start with, but if we can't, we'll swap over to the new thinner cord. So let's start by using our 12mm socket to get the pull start mechanism off. And then that'll just lift off just like that. So straight away we can flip it over and we can have a look at that mechanism. And we can see straight away that the spring inside of it's in good condition. It is just that that rope had broke. So the first thing we want to do is actually get the old rope out of the starter. Now I've just grabbed a little pick just to pick out that rope out of here, and it's a little bit fiddly as you can see, but I'll bring it in close and I'll show you what I'm doing. So to get this rope out, I've just got this little pick. You could use a screwdriver or anything, and I'm just trying to pick out that old cord there. So I've got that. Let's see if we can actually pull that out. You can see it doesn't really, there we go. Hopefully we've got that now. Oop. And can we get that a bit further around? Maybe that's the end point there. So just quickly comparing the old and that new cord, you can see that the cord that was in it was a heck of a lot thinner than what I've got on this handle. So why don't we pluck, like I said, let's pluck out that old cord, and we will actually use some brand new cord. So to fit the new cord, what we're going to do is we'll bring that around there. We can see that the cord threads through there and through that hole there. So let's go 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we'll just hold that like that. You can see what I've done is just lined it up, so we'll come through there and then push it through, and you can see straight away that cord has come through like that. So let's just pop a nice knot on the end of that. Just like that, and then let's just see, that is going to be perfect. As you can see, it feels like a perfect tension. Now the trick is, what we could do is, if it wasn't the right tension, we could just bring it out and put a little loop and then wind around like that. However, we don't need to do that, so grab this end here, a little bit frayed, see if we can get that through, else we might need to grab our heat gun and shrink that down a fraction. Let's see if we can just push that through as is. Nah, not looking like it's going to play games. So what we'll do is we'll grab a heat gun and we'll just shrink that down. But for now, I'll just put a temporary loop just like that to stop that winding back in. So I've just grabbed my heat gun. I just want to shrink that cord which is frayed. Now if you don't have a heat gun, just grab a set of matches and just melt it with matches. It's just far easier if you do want to have one of these heat guns. So we just switch it on and just come in like this, and it'll just shrink down onto itself. So with that nicely shrunk down, let's thread our handle through, and we just need to tie a knot in it just like that and pull it up to the end so there's not much excess sticking out. Just pull that nice and tight, and we can see that just pops into the handle just like that. And then with the handle now on, we can remove that temporary knot which we put in. We just put a slip knot in, so just pop that out just like that, and then straight away that handle will go in, and you can see the pull starter is working perfectly now. So with that done, we just need to mount the pull starter back onto the top of the mower. Get those nuts back on. And then use our 10mm to put the nuts back on. So with the pull start back on and all fixed, it must be time to go for a test start. So let's turn the fuel on. I can't see any primer on this mower, so I'm guessing it's self-priming, but let's give it a pull and see if it starts. So let's just put the throttle down, I don't know, somewhere in the middle, and let's just give it a pull. So there you go folks, she actually started first pull as you saw there, and what a champion of a little mower this Honda actually is. So that's how to fix the easy start system on a Honda mower. I hope you've liked the video, and if you have, give us a like and drop us a comment down below. It's truly appreciated. And on the channel, you find other DIY things around the home. We've got a heap of mower repairs and tutorials on how you can learn to fix your mower yourself. Also on the channel, we do a bunch for automotive. We've got the Audi, the Mercedes, the early Ford Falcon, we've got a Mazda 3, little Holden Barina, bit of Corolla, Toyota Corolla action, BMW, so there's something in there for everyone. So if you're interested in any of that content, do remember to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a good evening.